how to download a font and install it. Hey, welcome back to a new video, more simple tech. Today I will show you all how to download a font and install it. So first, we're gonna go to dafont. That is gonna be our main site. That's where you can get any font for free. So once we're here, you can download basically any font. We have here many categories. For the reference of this video, I would just do this one right here. So once you have your font, you're gonna click on this download right here on the right. You're gonna click download. Once you click that download, you should see this file up here. And once you click that, you're gonna click this arrow pointing upwards. And you're gonna click show in folder. That should bring up all your files up here. And once you're in here, you're gonna wanna click on it. And once you click on your file, you're gonna make sure to extract them all. And you're gonna click extract. So we're gonna wait. And once we have the extract, we're gonna click on the first one where it says demo. Once you see that, you're gonna click install. So it's gonna install. We're gonna wait until it's completely installed. And as you can see, it is now installed. So once that, we're gonna get out of all this. And in order to see and verify that we have our font now in our computer as reference, we're gonna go to pixlr.com. You could go to Photoshop or any other, but for the reference of this video, I'm just gonna go in this. I'm gonna create new. I'm just gonna create whichever one. It really doesn't matter. So now that I'm in here, I'm gonna click add text. I'm just gonna put sample. And obviously I'm gonna change my font. I'm gonna click add local font in the bottom. I'm gonna quick access. And I'm gonna click on demo for my recent files. It should be my recent files. It should be your recent files. And as you can see, is the first one up here. And just in case you know that it's actually the first one, I'm gonna go back and you can see the name. And it matches the same name at the top. So this was how to download any font and into your computer. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next upload. Drop a like, share, and make sure to subscribe.